The Jungle Challenge is announced in the heart of the colorful, musical Tambo Jungle. A loud drumbeat echoed from the treetops. Boom. 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 All the animals froze, ears twitching. Then came the voice of the jungle announcer, Parrot Pete. Megaphone attention, creatures great and small. It's time for the Great Jungle Teamwork Race. The prize? A golden fruit basket, filled with the most delicious, magical fruits in the land, banana berries, sparkle melons, and even the rare frost fig. But this race was no ordinary dash. It tested not speed or strength, but teamwork, trust, and friendship. Across the jungle, 4 very different animals decided to form a team, though none of them had ever worked together before. Riley the rhino, strong, steady, but sometimes too cautious. Mark the monkey, fast, clever, and silly. Tara the tiger, fierce, focused, and a natural leader, sometimes bossy. Sasha the snake, quiet, clever, and often underestimated. They called themselves Team Wild Unity. The morning of the race, the team gathered under the baobab bell tree. Mark swung down from the branches.
Yo!
Who? I brought snacks, banana chips, and vine juice. Tara rolled her eyes. We're not here for a picnic, Mark. I just thought, we could have a fun time too, Mark grinned. Riley stomped his feet nervously. Do you think we'll mess up? Sasha spoke softly. If we work together and trust each other, we'll be stronger than any team out here. Tara gave a small nod. Let's do this. They placed their paws, hooves, and tails together and shouted.
Partay!
Go, Team Wild Unity. The river of rocks, a rushing stream with slippery stones, broken vines, and floating logs. Mark zipped ahead. I'll just swing from the tree. Easy peasy. Wait. Sasha called out. We have to cross together. Mark's vine snapped mid-swing, splash, and he landed right in the river. See what happens when we rush? Tara said sternly. They gathered at the river bank. Sasha slithered along a branch, tying a rope across. Mark helped fix the knots. Riley anchored the line with his strong legs, and Tara helped everyone stay balanced. Together, they crossed safely, wet, but smiling. Next was the bridge of bananas swaying high above a canyon.
Oh no.
Riley gulped. I don't like heights. Mark hopped forward. I'll go first and test it, he said. He bounced across lightly, then waved. Looks good so far. Wait, whoa, snap. A vine split, and the bridge tilted dangerously. Rope coming up, shouted Sasha, tossing a second vine to reinforce the bridge. Tara and Mark worked together to tie it tight. Riley took a deep breath. I'll try, if someone walks beside me. The bridge held. Light bulb lesson 2, true teammates encourage and protect each other. They reached a field of enormous stone tiles. To unlock the next path, they had to form a symbol, the ancient jungle spiral. Tara tried pushing tiles. They're too heavy alone. Sasha studied the pattern from above, hanging on a tree limb. 3 go left, 2 go up, and 1 turns, she directed. Mark zipped across, rearranging the lighter stones. Riley pushed the big ones with Tara's help. They huffed and puffed, worked and adjusted, together, until the pattern lit up with a golden glow. Ding ding ding. A secret door opened into a vine tunnel. Light bulb lesson 3, communication and patience solve big problems. Inside the tunnel was a dark chamber filled with glowing spider webs. Hidden behind them were riddles, each one had to be solved aloud to move forward. A riddle echoed, Crystal ball, I'm not alive, but I can grow. I don't have lungs, but I need air. What am I? Mark scratched his head. A talking tree? No, Sasha said, smiling. It's fire. Correct. Next riddle, the more you take, the more you leave behind. What am I? Riley hesitated. Footprints? The web shimmered and disappeared. They laughed, cheered, and high-fived tails and paws. Even Tara smiled wide. We're doing great, because we're working like a real team. The final stretch at the top of the last hill, the golden fruit basket, shimmered in the sunlight. But a giant stone blocked the path. 1, 2, 3, pull, shouted Tara. Together, they pulled and tugged in perfect unison. No way around, Riley said. We need strength and speed, Sasha noted. Or rhythm, Mark winked. They each grabbed a vine. The boulder rolled aside with a giant thud. They dashed forward and won. The animals gathered around the winners. Parrot Pete flew down with a shining medal for each of them. Team Wild Unity, he squawked, wins not only the race, but the award for best teamwork ever. Riley beamed. I wasn't the fastest, but I helped us stay strong. Mark laughed. Turns out my silliness and speed came in handy. Tara smiled. I learned that great leaders listen, not just lead. Sasha nodded. And sometimes the quiet ones have the loudest ideas. Lessons 1. Everyone has something to offer, never underestimate anyone. 2. Real teamwork means listening, lifting, and learning together. Final words from the wild: alone, we go fast. Together, we go far. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.
Bye.